today in this particular revision lecture we will discuss about geography lesson 4 climate, that is of class 9 है ना. So let's start with this very interesting lecture, that is geography class 9, geography lesson number 4, that is climate. But since this is the revision part, that is why all the topics we will discuss very nicely and in short summary way. Okay, so here what we will discuss, first of all we will discuss about what is weather, what is season, what is climate. After that we will discuss that what are the particular factors that are affecting the climate, and what are the broader effect of climate in our life. After that we will also discuss about different key concepts like what is jet streams, what is IPCZ, what is Coriolis force. This all we will discuss in detail. After that I will also tell you about type of monsoon in India, like southwest monsoon winds, northeast monsoon winds, western cyclonic disturbances are what is this, So this about this a very important topic we will discuss. And at last I will also tell you about the season of India, and some very important key terms are there like Kal Baisakhi, Lu. So what are these all things we will discuss in this particular video. So let's start. So here first of all I just want to tell you that there are certain key terms are there, like first of all here we have weather. So what is the meaning of weather? Then we have the next term, that is season. So what is the meaning of season? And the next we have, that is climate. So what is the meaning of weather, what is the meaning of season, and what is the meaning of climate? So here if you see the weather, so basically the weather is the particular state of atmosphere at a particular time for a very short period of time, and here weather keep on changes all the time. Frequently it is getting changes. So in morning suppose weather is very cloudy, so in afternoon maybe weather can be very sunny also, in evening time it can be rainy weather also, So what we are telling here, weather is frequently changing and it is a particular state of atmosphere over a particular area. So that is weather. The next one is season. So season is what? Season is average weather condition or average atmospheric condition of a particular area for a couple of months. So in India we have about 4 type of season. Like we have rainy season, then we have autumn season, winter season, summer season. So like that we have. So this is what season. Season is basically average atmospheric condition of a particular area for a couple of months. And if you are calculating the atmospheric condition for a very long period of time, then it is called as climate. And here the time we are taking, that is always more than 30 years. So in case of climate, we always take more than 30 years. Why we take minimum 30 years only? The answer is because our scientists are using all type of data, and they are saying that minimum 30 years data are required to identify the climatic condition of a particular area. So that is why basically we are taking minimum 30 years. So I hope weather, season and climate is clear to all of you. After that, the next very important topic is everyone, that is what is the meaning of what is the climatic condition of India? So here if you see the climatic condition of India, so climatic condition of India or Indian climatic condition is monsoonal climatic condition. Monsoonal climatic condition, and it is basically found in India as well as Southeast Asia and Asian countries are having basically the monsoonal climate. And what is the meaning of this monsoonal? So here this monsoonal word derived from the word monsoon. Okay. And this monsoon word came from the word monsoon, which is the Arabic word, which means seasonal reversal in wind direction. What is the meaning here? Seasonal reversal in wind direction. The meaning is seasonal reversal in wind direction. seasonal reversal in wind direction. So what is the meaning of this seasonal reversal in wind direction? Suppose just for the example, because this particular line we will discuss in detail in upcoming minutes, so don't worry about that. So what is the meaning of seasonal reversal in wind direction? So here suppose if we have this is the map of India. Okay, so here in one season the direction of the wind will be like that. In one season the direction of wind will be like that, but in other season the direction of wind will change and it will be like that. So this is basically, it is what? Seasonal reversal in wind direction. Means in particular one season direction of wind is towards southwest to northeast, and in particular season the direction of wind is towards northeast to southwest. So that is why it is called as seasonal reversal in wind direction. And from which word this particular word derived? Arabic word mawsim. So after that here, since it is clear to all of us, then we are switching to the next very important part, that is climate is getting affected by what? So basically climate is getting affected by what? So dear, if you will change these two particular things, then climate will get changed. The first one is called as, basically so many other factors are there, but these two are basic factors. If you are changing this two, then others will automatically change. Means climate will get changed automatically. So here if you see temperature and rainfall, so temperature and rainfall, these two factors are there which is directly affecting the climate. Either one, if it is getting changed, then climate will also get changed. And we all know that temperature and rainfall both are not uniform throughout our country, India. Temperature is also changing and rainfall is also changing. For example, if you see the Ladakh region, so temperature is very low, but if you see the Thar desert, so temperature is very high. Similarly, if you see the states like Meghalaya, so rainfall is very high, but if you see the states like Rajasthan, the rainfall is very low. So what we can say, that temperature and rainfall is not uniformly distributed in entire India. It is getting changed place to place. After that, one more thing is there, that is climate only a type of atmospheric condition, or it is much beyond that. So this is the statement. On the basis of this also question comes. I must tell you, climate is not just a state of atmosphere, it is much beyond that. Why? Because dear, it is affecting our entire life. Like the way we eat food, the way we eat food is also depending upon the climatic condition. For example, if you will go to West Bengal, so the people of Bengal region are eating fish more, and that is why their favorite food item is fish. But if you will ask to the Rajasthani people, they will never say, right? Because in Rajasthan there is a scarcity of water, because of the climatic condition. Now the next one is about type of home we are building, home. So if you will see the Meghalaya region, or where the rainfall is very high and where flood is frequently coming, so there if you will see the structure of home, so it is basically constructed on the base of some particular foundation or the bamboo, on which it is basically made, so that it can be safe from the flood type of situation. But if you see in the states like Rajasthan, so there basically we are making the slope type of roof, so that the water will come. If rainfall will be there, the water will come and water will run down to a particular storage tanks, and they can later use those particular stored water. So home is also basically depending upon the climatic condition. One more example I am giving to you about the Japan. So in Japan, according to their climatic condition, they are basically making their home so that their home can sustain against those all adverse climatic condition what the people of Japan is facing. So here home is also depending upon the climatic condition. Apart from that, here our cloth, what we are wearing, like suppose if you go to European country, so in European countries basically the climatic condition is very low temperature is there. So the people are wearing suit, boot, tie, everything they are wearing so that they can get protected from the extreme low climatic condition. But if you see in India basically we are having good temperature. So we are not made to wear those Western clothes except winter season. But I have noticed that sometimes people are wearing in hot summer condition also those western particular dresses, which is not at all suitable. Our traditional cloth is dhoti and pajama, which dhoti, kurta and pajama, which is very suitable for our climatic condition. If you will go to Middle Eastern countries like Saudi Arabia and all, they are also wearing their traditional attire, which is suitable to their particular climatic condition. So whether it is food or home or cloth, everything is depending upon the climatic condition only. Fine. So these are the basic things that is there in beginning. Now after that, some more particular interesting topics are there in this chapter that we will discuss in upcoming minutes. So here, after that, I will tell you the factors which is affecting the climate. So what are the factors which is affecting the climate? So here I am writing factors affecting the climate. So basically, the factors which is affecting the climate is called as lab growth. What is called? Lab growth. The factors which is affecting the climate is called as lab growth. So here L4, I am telling you here, L4 latitude, A4 altitude, P4 pressure and wind system, pressure and wind system. Okay. D4 distance from sea. I am writing here D4 distance from sea. O4 ocean currents and R4 relief feature or relief, basically you can say. So these are the particular full form of the lab growth concept. So these all 6 factors are affecting our climatic condition. So one by one we will discuss about this latitude, altitude, pressure and wind system, distance from sea, ocean currents and relief feature.